Today we are going to discuss about the general rules of nomenclature. First, you want to know the meaning of nomenclature. Nomenclature means giving name to hydrocarbons, okay? I mean carbon compounds. So let's know the first how many rules are there, okay? General rules of nomenclature. There are 4 rules, okay? The first one is long chain rule. The second one is lowest number rule or lowest sum rule, okay? The third one is using of prefixes, that is di, tri, tetra and so on, etc. Okay. Next, alphabetical arrangement of prefixes, okay? These are the main 4 rules we have to follow while we are giving names to the hydrocarbons, alkyl groups, okay? Right. So let's try to understand the first one, okay? Which is, what's the first one? Yes, exactly, long chain rule, okay? Let's try to understand this, okay? In this, the first priority we have to give to the, first we should select the parent chain, okay? Parent chain, and we should give the priority to the prefix, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix, okay? What are those? Prefix, word root, very good. Third one, primary suffix, and the last one is secondary suffix, okay? Let's try to write the name for the one structure. Example structure: CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH3, CH2, CH3, okay? Right. So first we have to count the, okay, we should give a priority to the prefix. Prefix, nothing but here first, okay? But before that, first we need to check the parent chain. This is the parent chain from here to here. This is called parent chain, okay? And you can see this is the branched chain, okay? Here if you see, the prefix is CH2 or CH3. I mean C2, either we can count it as a C2H5 or we can take this CH3. If we give priority to the CH3, then we can write it as a methyl. C2H5 means ethyl, okay? So we can write either ethyl or methyl. The name will be methyl. Wait, I'll tell you in a proper way. First prefix, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Here the prefix we can take either ethyl or methyl. Word root, we need to count the number of carbons in a parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many there? Totally 5, 6. 6 is nothing but hexa. Yes, okay, 6 means hexa. So what would be the primary suffix? Here we need to check out for the bonds. What type of bonds? You can see in between these there is a single bond, right? For that we can write, we know that if there is a single bond, then those are alkane. Nothing but we have to give a priority to the ane. Okay. Secondary suffix is E for hydrocarbons. Okay. So the name will be methyl hexane, or we can write it as ethyl hexane. Okay. By using the first rule, we can give a name in this way. Hope you understand this. Okay. Right. Let's go for the second rule, lowest number rule. So let's learn the second rule, which is called lowest number or lowest sum rule. Okay. So let's take example directly. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, the branch CH3. Okay, let's try to write the name for this. So in this, the first rule is we should give a lowest number to the branch, nothing but alkyl group. What's the rule? We should give a lowest number to the alkyl group in the chain. So if you see the structure, so here it is, alkyl group. Okay, so we should give a lowest number. Suppose if we choose from here to here, 1 2 3 4, here we'll get a 3, right? We can use a number from anywhere, from right to left or left to right. So but in this we should follow the rule, so that's we should give a lowest to alkyl. So that's why better we should start from here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the lowest number here. So that's why for this we can write the name as 2, means in the second place. So this is methyl. Very good. 2 methyl. So how many carbons? 1 2 3 4. What root is? But. If 4 carbons there, we have to use but, and single bonds is there, so that's why ane. So the name would be 2-methyl butane. Okay, hope you got this, huh? Right. Next rule is the use of, this is the third rule, right? Yes, use of prefixes, right? Di, tri, tetra, and so on. So in this, first point is if more than one identical group is present in the structure. Okay, so if more than one or two, suppose if you check here only one is there, right? So if it is more than one, then we have to use di, tri, tetra. Okay, and one more thing is the name of the substituent not repeated again. Okay, the first point is if more than one identical group present. Okay, and the second one is we have to name, so we should name of the substituent not repeated. Okay, right, let's try to understand one thing. The structure will be CH3, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here CH3, CH3. So if you see the structure clearly, then you can see here the substituents, two given, the same substituent. So in this moment we should not repeat this again. The name must not repeat. Instead of this we have to use these prefixes. Okay, right, depending upon the number. Okay, right. So we, and according to rule we have to give the lowest number to the alkyl group. Here all the alkyl group. Suppose if we start from here it get a bigger 1 2 3 4 fourth place. So that's why better we start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So lowest number, alkyl group got the lowest number. So we have to write the first numbers 2 3 means in the place of 2 and 3. What is there? Methyl. CH3 is methyl. How many methyls is here? 2. So instead of 2 we have to write di. Very good. 2 3 di methyl. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many carbons? 6. Nothing but. Very good. Hex and N for single bond. Okay, alkanes. So the name will be 2 3 methyl hexane. Okay, so this is the third rule. Let's go for the fourth rule. Last but not least one, the fourth rule is, what's the fourth rule? Come on. Yes, alphabetical. Yes, arrangement of prefixes. Very good. According to this, if we check for a structure, okay, let's write the structure CH3, CH3, C, and here one CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, here one CH2, CH3. Okay, right. Then we have to follow the rules. Okay, so first we should give the names to this. Okay, first rule means according to rule we have to give the lowest number to the alkyl group. So that's why if we come from here 1 2 3 third place it got, here second place. So that's why we should give preference to the from this side, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this got the lowest number. Okay, so that's why 2 and 4, if you observe here CH3 the alkyl group, in the fourth place also CH3, CH3. Okay, so if you see this, then we can write, and before that in a fourth place you can see here 2 branches, isn't it, ma? So in fourth place, so in the fourth place we can write 4 ethyl. Okay, 4 ethyl, that is C2H5. Okay, in fourth place 4 ethyl, and again what is repeated here, 2 4 2 comma 4. If numbers more than 1 then we can use a comma. Okay, 2 4. What is there in a 2 4? Okay, 2 4 methyl. How many methyls there? 2. So that's why di methyl. How many number of carbons? 6. Yes, so that's why hex in as usual. So the number will be 4 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl. Actually we have to write the name as a first 2 4 dimethyl hexane, 2 4 dimethyl and 4 ethyl, but 2 4 dimethyl, or you can write a 4 ethyl methane. But according to rule, if you write, first we have to give. So what is the rule? Alphabetical arrangement of prefixes. So here are the what are the prefixes here? Ethyl and methyl, right? So ethyl, methyl are the prefixes. So that's why. So first alphabetical order, which comes first? E, then M. So that's why we have to write the name will be 4 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl hexane. C, 4 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl hexane. So these are the rules we have to follow while we are writing the name to the structures. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, thank you.